How's it going, everybody? Everything Keaton here. And earlier I said that I was going to go ahead and start putting all these components into my current PC. Well, that wasn't going to happen because after I really opened it and really looked in there, I found out that the water cooler wasn't going to fit and everything was just going to be too cramped. So I had to, as you can see, I had to gut it out, take all my components out of this Asus case that I had. And gonna have to sell it. I purchased this Corsair Carbide Series Spec 2, and it was on sale, and I got really lucky with this because I believe it was like $69.99, and it was on sale for $49.99, and it's like the sale went on like just today. So I got really lucky. I got the last one they had in stock. So whew. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. I was really bummed yesterday that I couldn't put all my stuff in that one case. I really like that case, but it's time to move on. Alright, those are do the yellow upside down. Box out of the way. Get these off. There it is. So already I'm loving it. It feels like almost the same size as the other one, but it looks like there's a ton more room in there. I really just like the front of it. The front of it looks really nice. Another thing I miss about these kind of cases is that they have these. Oh wow, that actually just fell off. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. On the videos, these were not supposed to fall off. It looks like mine just came right off. Let's see if the other one does it. No, that one stayed on. Maybe I twisted it too much, or yeah, I twisted it too much. Okay, that was just my fault. But in here, it's really good size, and from what it looks like, my graphics card should be able to fit. Like right here, I got 2 ports for my SSDs. My disk drive, here's the red LED fan, and I actually bought another one just so it would look nice. So I bought a Thermaltake one because the Corsairs are effing expensive. I believe this Thermaltake one was about $8, and the Corsairs, I think they're like 15 a piece. It's ridiculous. So we got all our cords here. It looks like cable management in this thing is going to be really nice, especially since this power supply that I got has nothing but black cables, so it's really awesome. We got our tools here that are hella stuck in there. I think I know what's holding it. There we go. Got some zip ties and yeah, just their accessories. Get your screws for your motherboard, extra screws for fans, and that's it. I'll definitely be using those because they're black screws. All the screws that I took off the other system are all metal, just chrome screws. So definitely going to be using those screws. So that's basically it. I'm going to go ahead and throw everything in this case. I'm going to let the camera run. I'm just going to do this all in like fast forward motion. Not really going to talk about much. It's all basic, just putting everything in. Yeah. Alright, so I'm done putting everything inside the case. It's running really quiet. Probably has some sound to it, but the other case was a lot louder than this one. And this one's got a lot more fans in it. About 4 more fans than the other one did, and they were small fans. There's supposed to be another red LED fan right here, but there wasn't enough 3-pin connections on the inside, so one of the fans on the CPU is not running as long as this one. So I'm going to have to run to the store and get those, and get an adapter so I can run those fans. But other than that, the case is amazing. There's so much space in there, even after putting all that stuff in it. It runs really cool, even with those 2 fans not even running. The graphics card sits a little higher than what it did in the other case. It was sitting real close to the bottom, so it was choking itself. So 2 thumbs up to this case. It's amazing. You should definitely go pick one up if you're in the market for a case right now. If you have a Fry's Electronics, I would suggest you go there and pick it up for $50 right now, and it even has a $10 rebate, so you're really only paying like 40 bucks. So yeah, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. You guys take it easy and stay legit.